Sturer Emil, with its significant 128mm Pak 40 L large 61 barrel, has its unique feature. Two prototypes were built and engaged in several fights. At the end of their journey, they gained rich kill records. Today, I'm going to build this Emil from Trumpeter. It's an old-fashioned classical kit, the only option of this type of vehicle. The parts are attached to each other well. It contains limited interior, rubber tracks, and it's PE-free. The structure of the cannon system is limitedly workable. Emil has an interleaved roll-wheel suspension system, so look at this headache amount of wheels. Before sending the model to my painting platform, I would like to add some modifications or improvements on it. Remove the fake handle on the back hatch and replace it with the metal one. Mixing cement and putty to create an exhaust texture on the exhaust. We built the spare tracks holder. The original one is obviously oversized. Build an extra spare tracks holder with raised PEs. Add the casting line for the fake cockpit by hitting and stretching the runner. With the cement, it's easy to melt and reshape the plastic runner. If the outcome was too exaggerated, send them fine. I will always replace the rubber tracks once suitable replacements are available. In this case, 3D printing tracks. Conclusion on the kit: it's old, rough, and initiator friendly. Most importantly, you don't have other choices. Let's go painting! Our final destination is a winter camouflage on a German green. A general black primer helps to make your model delicious. The fun part of the kit is that it has an open structure, so that most of the interior could be seen. In order to gain a better final result, it would be cool to deal with the parts separately before putting them together. The wooden deck is one of the most significant items of the vehicle. I'm interested in making it charming. Based on the Valleyhood old wood, I randomly add blue, green, yellow, and white to ensure its diversity. Use Valleyhood deck tan as the main chipping color on the floor. I was once wondering if this shiny silver is too bright for the tracks, but I saw this historical image which convinced me that the old tracks could be quite reflective. Before applying decals, I use semi-gloss varnish to seal the current coat and smooth the surface. I cut the Q Records decal in half instead of wrapping it around the barrel, and this image is my reference. Airbrushing the AK chipping liquid around the model several times. In my experience, you'd better apply it over rather than not enough. In order to simulate the splash, dust and mud on the hull, I add the super tiny amount of thinner to the paint. You could see the effect is quite rough and messy. That's what I am too. Well, here we go, the final white coat. I didn't use the pure white. It's mixed with a few drops of deck tan. With water and a hot brush, we are cool to do the chipping. It's an interesting and unpredictable process. I don't have many words about it, but number one, you don't forget to apply enough chipping liquid. Number two, before chipping, you'd better have some exact ideas in mind. Which one is for natural meltdown? Which one is for man-made crash and scratches, etc. Try different sizes of brushes in different materials. For exact effects, a toothpick is really helpful. Have some fun with pigments. Still, I find the whole model a bit dull. I used diluted enamel Tamiya SF2 to adjust the white coat. Another semi-gloss varnish to seal the outcome. It's also to ensure that the following enamel-based materials won't interact with the purest ones. Voila, that's it. I'm happy to have these primitive giant monsters in my collection. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, forward, or just watch the video. Any kind of interaction will be a great help on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.